we're going to talk a little bit about German short rows. I love it in patterns because you cannot see it and it's easy to resolve. Very pretty and easy to recognize when you are knitting these. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate a German short row. So here we go. I'm just knitting to a point and it will say turn and do a German short row. I will take it like this, slip to the right hand needle, bring the yarn over to the front, and I will purl to the end. That is a German short row. Now, I'm going to come back, and you can see this is the German short row. This is your double stitch. So sometimes they'll say knit, and they'll say to KDS, knit the double stitch. So I will knit this together. And I'm going to knit turn my work, slip this over to the back, bring it over to the front, and I will purl to the end. But I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to get here, and guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to turn my work, bring my yarn to the front, bring it over to the right hand needle, and bring the yarn to the back. This is on the knit side when I do a German short row. Now it says to KDS, I will KDS, I will knit one, I will KDS, knit one, turn my work, slip it to the right hand needle because I'm doing a German short row, bring the yarn forward when I'm on the purl side. It always has to come forward, and I'm going to purl, and then it's going to say to do a PDS. In the Flotini, they use the terminology PDS and KDS in German short row. So here's the PDS. I'm on the purl side. I will purl this double stitch together, and I will purl to the end. So that's how you do a PDS and a KDS and a German short row.